Introducing the HP DeskJet 2922 all-in-one printer series. It has got print, copy and scan functions with a built-in Wi-Fi that supports 802.11, ABGN 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. It also supports one high-speed USB 2.0. This printer has got mobile printing capability and also a flatbed scanner. So we're going to unbox this printer and set it up for use. Next, plug the power cord into a wall socket and with the other end, plug it into the power port located at the back of the printer. Turn on the power at the wall socket and you can see that the printer will power on with the power LED blinking. If it doesn't power on, simply press on the power button as shown. Let's install the print cartridges. To install the ink cartridges, open the front door and the ink access door. Now these are the setup cartridges that come in box. The black and the tricolor cartridge. Remove it from its packaging. Remove the tape. Be careful not to touch the electrical contacts or the nozzles. Install on the right hand side as shown. Push it in and snap it in place. Do the same for the tricolor cartridge. The print cartridges are installed. One thing to note that if you're installing the print cartridge, if the carriage is off center, then you will not be able to install the print cartridges. Make sure that it is in the center as shown. You may close the ink access door as well as the front door. We will load paper next. Next, take a stack of plain paper and load it into the input tray. Now you need to slide the paper guide all the way to the left and insert the paper as shown. Pull out the input tray. You will notice that once the paper is loaded, it will start to print an alignment page. This is the alignment page. We need to place it on the flatbed scanner to scan this page to complete the alignment to get a better print quality. So open the scanner lid and place it in this orientation as shown. Align it to the bottom right corner. To align the alignment page, simply press on either copy button. The alignment is done once the power button stops blinking. Now that we have installed cartridges and load the paper, it's time to connect the printer to the network. Let's start up HP app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. From the app, tap on Add Device. Let's set up a new printer. We'll connect it to Wi-Fi. Get our printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi by following the instructions. It has found our printer, which is DeskJet 2900 printer series. Let's set up. We would use the phone to help connect this printer to our Wi-Fi network. Select Yes. We need to connect manually, so let's key in our Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, let's continue. Now on the printer control panel, we need to press and release the flashing information button. Let's continue. For printer privacy, we'll decline the optional data. For future firmware updates, we'll select Auto Update. Let's print. So you're able to print to your printer. Let's continue. And this is the printer dashboard. So this is how you unbox and set up the HP DeskJet 2900 printer series.